Hello friends, it's me Om Prakash Holi. I'm from Basaveshwar Engineering College 4th SEM. So today I'll be discussing about one of the very important theorems from the subject Structural Analysis 1. And this theorem is Castigliano's theorem 2. So let's go to the statement of this theorem. The first partial derivative of total strain energy in an indeterminate structure, there exist two cases. The first case is dou u upon dou r. Dou u upon dou r is equal to lambda. Lambda is nothing but lack of it. So there exist two cases. What are the two cases? The first partial derivative dou u upon dou r, strain energy. Strain energy means u. Okay, that is equal to lack of fit. So with respect to the force of redundant member of a truss, it is equal to the lack of fit of that member. So dou u upon dou r is equal to lambda. So friends, with respect to the redundant support reaction, the first partial derivative of the strain energy is equal to dou u upon dou r, which is equal to 0. So that is, with respect to the support reaction, the yielding of the support becomes 0. Okay. So friends, let's solve the first problem. Analyze the propped cantilever beam shown in the figure using Castigliano's second theorem. So now what we'll be doing here, let's take the redundant force first. So VB is the redundant force. Now let us redraw this diagram. So this is the diagram, roller support and the cantilever attached and 16 kilonewton acting at this portion and 1 meter here, 3 meter here. This is support reaction VB. Consider the two portions in this particular diagram. We have VB, x1, x1, x2, x2 as the two portions. So the distance from this to this is x, this to this is x again. Now let's take the Castigliano's second theorem. What does it state? Dou u upon dou VB is equal to 0, which implies 1 upon EI 0 to L m into dou m upon dou VB is equal to 0. To 1, the limit is 0 to 1. Okay, so VB, we have VB into the distance from this to this is x, and this partial derivative of m, which is VB into x, its partial derivative is x, because we are differentiating partially with respect to VB. So what does it remain? It remains as x into dx. Okay, plus now let us consider the next portion. Let's name this portion BC, considering B as the origin. Next, let's take the next portion, 1 upon EI. So this portion will be having, so this distance is 1 and this is entire 4. So limits is 1 to 4. Now the portions what we have here is BA, considering B as origin. Okay. We have VB as the support reaction, VB into this distance is x. So this is 16 into, it is making the anti-clockwise moment, clockwise moment. Then what we have, this portion is x minus 1. Okay, and the partial derivative of this particular m is, so what we have is x. Okay, VB into x, its partial derivative is x into dx. So friends, now let's integrate this. After integrating, what we'll be having is 1 upon EI. We'll systematically integrate this, VB into x square. So integration of 0 to 1, 1 over EI, integral of 1 to 4. So this is VB into x square minus 16 into x square minus 16 into x. So this is with respect to x, 1 over EI VB into x cube by 3 over the limits 0 to 1 plus 1 over EI VB into over the limits x cube by 3 integrated to the limits 1 to 4, 16 x cube by 3 over the limits 1 to 4 plus 16 into x square over the limits x square by 2 over the limits 1 to 4. Next 1 over ei vb into 1 upon 3. After integrating we get it, so 1 over ei, so this is vb x cube by 3. It is not x cube by 3, it is 63 upon 3 minus 5.33 into 63 plus 8 into 15. So after this we get 1 over ei vb into 1 upon 3 plus 1 over ei, this is 21 vb minus 335.79 plus 120 is equal to 0. Now 21.33 vb is equal to 335.79 minus 120, so vb is equal to 215.79 upon 21.33. The value of vb is equal to 10.125 kilonewton. Friends, now let us try to find out the moment about point A is equal to 0. So before that, let's do sigma of Fy is equal to 0. So what are the vertical components here? VA, VB and 16. So let us do it. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. So what you will get it? VA plus VB minus 16 is equal to 0. So VA plus VB is equal to 16. So in the previous expression we have already calculated VB value is 110.125. Substitute the same in this expression. So what you will get it? A plus 10.125 is equal to 16. So the value of VA is 5.875 kilonewton. Okay. So now we'll consider moment of point A is equal to 0. So if you consider that, what you'll get it? So you'll get as, first we'll consider the couple acting at point A. So it is acting in the anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction, will take it as positive here. CA. Next, what you have? We have VB here. VB value we have already calculated as 10.125 previously. So VB into this entire distance is 4. VB is 10.125 into 4 minus, so this is 16 acting at the distance of 3. 16 into 3 in the clockwise direction, so negative. CA is equal to 7.5 kilonewton. By this we found out this. Now after calculating the values, let's put it in the diagram. So VA is 5.875 and CA is how much? It is 7.5 kilonewton meter. Okay. Let's draw the BMD and SFT for this structure. Let's draw the structure once again systematically. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. And this portion is 16 kilonewton. This portion is 10.125. And what we have here, let's put it exactly in the downward direction. So 5.875 is taken upwards, since it's going upwards. So till here there is nothing, so go straight. So 5.875 minus 16 is happening here, because 16 is going downwards. So what you'll get it here? So here you get it as minus 10.125 and go straight. So it'll go upwards. So minus 10.125 plus 10.125, if you go, it becomes 0. So this is positive, this is negative. So here we drew the shear force diagram. Now let us draw the bending moment diagram. So we have already the couple acting at point A. How much it is? 1.5. It is acting in the anti-clockwise direction. So we'll be considering 7.5 downwards. 7.5. And next, what we have here? 10.125 into here we have 1 meter, and here we have 3 meter. 10.125 into 1 is 10.125. So let's mark it here, 10.125. Next, here we have 0. So let's join the points, this, and this. Here it is negative, here it is positive. So this is the shear force diagram, and this is the bending moment diagram. So friends, let's get started with the second problem. The second problem goes, find VC and draw the BMD and SFD for the following structure. So now let us consider VC is redundant. After considering VC as redundant, we'll draw this diagram again. B, C, 2 meter, 2I, I, A. So this is 20 kilonewton per meter. Now let us consider the Castigliano's second theorem, that is dou U by dou VC is equal to 0, which implies 1 over EI 0 to L m into dou m upon dou VC is equal to 0. So now let us consider the two sections in this particular diagram. This is what? x1, and this is x2, and the distance from this to this is x, and the distance from this to this is again x. VC as redundant. So VC, after considering VC as redundant, we'll consider the portion CB considering C as origin. CB considering C as origin. So what are the limits? 0 to 2. 0 to 2 VC into the distance is x, and partial differentiation of this function is x dx. Next, let's consider the portion CA considering C as origin. CA considering C as origin, if we have here the distance is 2 and here is 4. 2 to 4 is the limit, and the equation is VC into this portion is x minus 20, and this distance is x minus 2, and since it is UDL, so x minus 2 square upon 2, and the partial differentiation with respect to VC is x into dx. Friends, let's solve this equation. We get VC into x cube by 3 to the limits 0 to 2 plus 1 by 2 into VC into x cube by 3 over the limits 2 to 4 minus 2 to 4 10x x square minus 4x plus 4 dx. So what we have here, VC into x cube by 3 to the limits 0 to 2 plus 1 by 2 into VC x cube by 3 to 4 minus 10 x raised to 4 upon 4 2 to 4 plus 40 into x cube by 3 2 to 4 minus 40 into x square upon 2 2 to 4. So what we have here, VC into 8 by 3 plus VC by 6 into 56 plus 10 by 8 into 240 plus 40 by 6 into 56 minus 40 by 4 into 12 is equal to 0. And if you solve next, what will get it? So we have 2.67 VC plus 9.34 VC minus 300 plus 373.33 minus 120 is equal to 0. So the final equation is VC is equal to 300 minus 373.33 plus 120 upon 12.04. So VC is equal to 3.87 kilonewton. So friends, we have already found out VC is equal to 3.8. So let's represent it as 3.87 here. Now let us consider sigma of Fy, that is summation of Fy is equal to 0. So what are the vertical components you have here? So we have 3.87 at C and 20 into 2, that is UDL. Next VA acting at A. So VA is equal to 36.12 kilonewton, represented in the diagram. Next we have to consider the moment at point A is equal to 0. Anti-clockwise moments taking positive. So CA plus 3.87 we have here. 3.87 acting at the distance of 2 plus 2, that is 4. So 3.87 into 4 we have here. 20 into 2, which is acting in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction should always be taken as negative. Minus 20 into 2 is equal to 0. So CA is equal to 24.48 kilonewton meter. So now let's represent that in the diagram. So CA is equal to how much? 24.48 kilonewton meter. Now let's try to find out the SFD and BMD of this diagram. Let's draw it neatly. So we have first SFD. So 36.12 is acting in the upward direction, and we have a UDL over here. So 36.12, so the UDL is minus 20 into 2 acting in the downward direction. So this value is 3.88 acting somewhere here. So let's join the points. Next, minus 3.88 plus 3.88, because 3.88 is going upward direction. So 3.88 minus plus 3.88 is equal to 0. So this is what is the SFD. Friends, now let us draw the BMD. We have already done with SFD. Okay. So first we'll consider this point B. So 3.88 to B is how much? The distance is 3.88 into 2, which is 7.76. We'll mark it somewhere here. And next we have the couple acting downwards, that is 24.4 in point A. So let's draw the parabola since we have UDL here. Okay, we'll get a parabola. So this is what the distance we have. And at point C we have what? 0. Let's join the point at C. Moment at point C is 0. Calculate manually, you will get it. So A, B, C. So this is what is the BMD. So fine friends, let's take up some problems on fixed cantilever beams. So what they've asked in this question, they're asking us to find out VB and CB and hence draw the BMD and SFD. And for that we need to draw the diagram once again. So we'll draw the diagram to solve this problem. So how we'll draw it? So they are asking us to find the VB and CB and hence draw the diagram BMD and SFD by using Castigliano's second theorem. So let's do it. I'll show you the diagram that I have drawn here. So this is A, C, B points located, and this is how we need to draw the diagram and consider the portions x1, x1 and x2, x2. And we have considered dou u by dou vb is equal to 0. This implies 1 over I 0 to L m into dou m upon dou vb into dx is equal to 0. So we have considered two portions x1, x1, x2, x2. This is x and this is also x. Now what? So friends, we have considered the portion BC taking B as origin. So VB into x minus CB into x. So differentiation is x dx plus 1 over EI. Now let us consider the portion BA considering B as origin. Okay, you know, right? BA considering B as the origin. So what we'll be getting? So we'll be getting VB into x minus CB, okay, minus 60 into x minus 4, and the differentiation is x into dx. Now next we'll get this expression. So we'll again simplify this equation. So 0 to 4 VB into x square minus CB into x dx plus 4 to 6 VB into x square minus CB into x minus 60 into x square plus 240x into dx is equal to 0. So 21.33 VB minus 8 CB plus 50.67 VB minus 10 CB minus 3080 plus 2400 is equal to 0. So 72 VB minus 18 CB equals 640. So this is our equation 1. Now let us consider the expression of the diagram once again. So we need to do for CB now. So dou U by dou CB is equal to 0, which implies 1 over EI integration of 0 to L m into dou m upon dou CB is equal to into dx is equal to 0. Now what we'll be doing here? We'll simplify the equation by writing all the terms 1 over EI integration of 0 to 4. First portion is BC considering B as origin. BC considering B as origin, what we have? So we have VB into X minus CB into minus 1 because differentiation of minus CB is minus 1. So 1 over EI integration of 4 to 6 VB into X minus CB minus 60 into X plus 640 into minus 1 into dx. So this is the portion we are considering BA. BA is the portion considering B as the origin. So friends, now let's solve this. So integration over 0 to 4 CB minus VB into X dx plus 4 to 6 CB minus VB X plus 60 X minus 240 into dx is equal to 0. So 4 CB minus 8 VB plus 22 CB minus 10 VB plus 600 minus 480 is equal to 0. So 6 CB minus 18 VB is equal to minus 120. 18 VB minus 6 CB is equal to 120. We have rearranged it. Now this is our second equation. So previously we have got the first equation. Write that first equation again here. So what was the first equation we got? 72 VB minus 18 CB is equal to 640. So this was the first equation we got. So for the second equation, what we'll do, we'll multiply it with 3. And what is the equation that we are going to get? 54 VB minus 18 CB is equal to 360. So this is our third equation. So leave that above equations and only consider equation 1 and equation 3. So if you solve this by elimination process, what is the equation that you're gonna get? You're gonna get 18 VB is equal to 280. So if you simplify this, we will get VB is equal to 115.56 kilonewton. Friends, now we have to substitute the value of VB in any of the equations above. So we'll get the value of CB as 26.67 kilonewton meter. So I'm sure all of you know how to find out the BMD and SFD. So I need not tell it once again.
So this is what is
let's
the
show the SFD. So this is how the SFD diagram looks.
And the values here
And
are very simple. You can know that.
So mention all the points in this particular diagram. I have not mentioned.
And this
So
is
this
what
is how the bending
BMD.
moment diagram
Thank
looks. So let's start the next problem. So this is the problem they have given. So in this problem they have asked us to find out CB and VB. So let us take VB and CB as the redundants. So we'll draw the diagram once again. We have released the fixed support B. So we have taken VB CB, and this is point C on which there is 100 kilonewton meter acting. So this is point A. So this is the portion x1 x1 and this is the portion x2 x2. So this distance is x and this distance is x. I've mentioned it in the diagram. So this is x and this is also x. This is x, this is also x. Next what we'll do is dou U upon dou VB is equal to 0. This implies 1 upon EI integration of 0 to L m into dou m upon dou VB is equal to 0. So 1 over EI integration of first portion we will consider. This distance is how much? 2 meter and this is also 2 meter.
So 0 to 2 is the limit. BC considering B as the origin. So what is the expression that we are gonna get? VB into x minus CB into x into dx. Now next portion we are considering 1 over EI. So the portion is BA considering B as the origin. The limits is 2 to 4, VB into x minus CB plus 100 into x into dx, which is equal to 0. So this is the portion BA considering B as the origin. Let's solve this. After solving, what we are going to get? Let's get VB into x cube upon 3 over the limits 0 to 2 minus CB x square upon 2 over the limits 0 to 2, VB x cube upon 3 over the limits 2 to 4 minus CB x square about 2 over the limits 2 to 4 plus 100 x square upon 2 over the limits 2 to 4 is equal to 0. VB by 2, 8, CB upon 2 multiplied with 4, VB by 3 multiplied with 56 minus CB upon 2 multiplied with 12 plus 50 into 12 is equal to 0. So 2.67 VB minus 2 CB plus 18.67 VB minus 6 CB plus 600 is equal to 0. 21.34 VB minus 8 CB is equal to minus 600. This is our first equation. On considering the same diagram, we will do to CB. Dou U upon dou CB is equal to 0, which implies 1 over EI integration over the limits 0 to L m into dou M upon dou CB is equal to 0. So let's solve this. What we are gonna get? 1 over EI, and this portion will consider BC considering B as the origin over the limit 0 to 2, BC considering B as the origin. So VB into x minus CB into minus 1, because integration of CB is minus 1. Next portion is 2 to 4, VB into x minus CB plus 100 into minus 1 into dx. This portion is BA considering B as origin, minus VB x square upon 2. After integrating, we get over the limit 0 to 2, CB into x over the limit 0 to 2, VB into x square upon 2 over the limits 2 to 4 plus CB into x over the limits 2 to 4 minus 100 into x over the limits 2 to 4. VB into, so we have minus VB upon 2 into 4 plus CB into 2 minus VB upon 2 into 12 plus CB into 2 minus 100 into 2. Next we have minus 2 VB plus 2 CB minus 6 VB plus 2 CB is equal to 200. Next we get minus 8 VB plus 4 CB is equal to 200. This is our second equation, or else we can also write it as B. First equation, we'll write it once again here. After calculating the first and second equation, what we get? We get CB is equal to minus 25 kilonewton meter and VB is equal to minus 37.5 kilonewton meter. So friends, we have got the values. So SFD and BMD, I'm sure you know how to draw it.